Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about test on a linear actuator with the help of Automation Studio simulation software. Now here I am going to consider the two cases. First case is by changing the inclination angle and another case is by changing the cylinder diameter. Let us start with the first case. In the first case I am going to keep cracking pressure, piston diameter, rod diameter, stroke and external load constant by varying the inclination angle, and I am going to check how much pressure required to push the cylinder by changing the angle. So first of all, with the help of the software, I am going to build the circuit here for the double acting cylinder. This is the Automation Studio software screen. This is the reservoir. Select the appropriate size. Now select the other components. Above the reservoir filter is fixed. Again, fixed displacement pump is placed. Now pressure relief valve is required after the pump. The actual double acting cylinder is selected. Pressure gauge is selected to calculate the pressure required to push the cylinder. Now direction. Now 4x2 lever operated direction control valve is selected. These ports are connected. These ports are connected to the rod side and piston side. This is our hydraulic circuit. By double click on the component, you can give the specification to the component. Here displacement and speed you can put. If you mark it, that specification is visible here. 1200 rpm and 100 centimeter cube per revolution. Now the cracking pressure is set here now, 50 bar. The dimensions of the actuator, diameter of piston, diameter of rod and stroke, which is also visible here. This is a simple simulation for the given specification. Cracking pressure selected for the all cases is 50 bar, and the selected diameter of piston is 100 mm. The diameter of rod is 50 mm, which is the constant throughout the test, is 500 mm. I kick the load 0 and inclination angle 0, there is no resistive force, so the piston is freely move. So I am going to add some load here which is equal to 7000 kg for the all cases. Now check how much pressure is acting here for the 0 degree. Point 4 pressure is built. Nearly 1.4 pressure is required to push the cylinder at 0 degree. 1 point. Similarly, you can now change the inclination angle of cylinder equal to the 30 degree and check the pressure required to push the cylinder. Check the simulation for 30 degree. Now the pressure required is equal to near about 45.5 bar. Now for the 50 degree again check. not going to extend because of very large amount of load is acting. So here I am going to increase the cracking pressure. Now see, by increasing the cracking pressure, cylinder is going to extend. Means by using the 50 bar cracking pressure, the system is not able to work for the 7000 kg load at a 50-degree angle. So for the 70 bar cracking pressure, how much pressure is built here? This much pressure is built here, which is equal to 68.3. Now again, if I increase the angle, see again for a 60 bar cracking pressure, system is not going to work. Cylinder is not going to extend. Again here I need to increase the cracking pressure. See, for 80 bar also not possible. I'm going to set it 90 bar. So see, cylinder is going to extend. And at that time, how much pressure is built? And at that time, how much pressure is? And with 90 bar cracking pressure, how much pressure is required to push the cylinder? Now check with 90 bar cracking pressure, how much pressure is required to push the cylinder at 70-degree angle, which is equal to the 84. Now for the 90 bar cracking pressure with 90-degree angle, now nearly 88.7 bar pressure is required to push the cylinder with 90 bar cracking pressure. Look at the observation table. From that you can observe that with the change in the inclination angle, how the required pressure to push the cylinder is going to increase. Now in the second case, I am going to change only piston diameter by keeping other parameter constant. Here I have selected the 90 bar cracking pressure, diameter of rod is 50, stroke of the cylinder is 500, and external load is 7000 kg, and the cylinder is having 45-degree inclination angle. Let us check with the help of simulation. We have already built circuit. Now check for the first set of reading. How much pressure is required? With the 100 mm diameter piston, 63.5 bar pressure is required. Now by increasing the diameter, by 5 mm, that is 105 mm. Now by increasing the diameter of actuator equal to 105 mm, see how much pressure is required to push the piston, 57.9. Similarly, you can try for the similarly you can try for the similarly you can proceed for the varying the piston diameter. Now I have selected here 110 diameter. Now check how much pressure is required here. Nearly equal to 52.9 bar. If you look at the observation table, you can see that how the piston diameter is having effect on the pressure required to push the cylinder. at a 45-degree angle. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the session.